Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus launched on October 2024. The price is not available at this time. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra launched on January 2024. The price tag is $1,099. The dimensions of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus: height 6.44 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness is 8.3 mm. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra: height 6.39, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 227 gram and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 233 gram. The both mobile come with front and back glass. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with aluminium frame and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with titanium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x and 16mm color screen type. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is similarly same, not much difference. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 1.5K screen resolution. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution. The PPA dynasty Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 449. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 505. The refresh rate is same, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 89.1% and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 88.5%. The screen protection: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 3 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide with 1-inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and it's a dual LED flash panorama HDR, and it's record 4K 120Hz FPS video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 200 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and it says LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 13 megapixel and 80 f3 biometric sensor, and it says panorama HDR. It's record 4K 60 fps video with selfie camera. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 12 megapixel selfie camera, and it says panorama HDR, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The platform: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with octa-core Titan Big 3.43 GHz CPU, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex X4 3.39 GHz CPU. The chipset: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Kirin 10K 3nm chipset, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Mylon 930 1 GHz GPU, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Adreno 750 with 1 GHz GPU. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS 5.1, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Android 14 One UI 6.1. And the memory of these devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 16 gigs of RAM, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 12 gigs of RAM. The internal storage: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 256 for 12 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5200 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra support 45 watt fast charging, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 100 watt fast charging, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 88 watt fast wireless charging. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra support 15 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Face ID unlocking, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.1, IP68 dust and water resistant, and satellite SOS system. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 dust and water resistant, SOS system, Samsung DeX, and S Pen. The result of these devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus got 24 points, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra got 18 points.